So like SiSoc Semiconductor Technologies is basically a semiconductor and embedded service company. So we initially started the company targeting serving customers into VLSI domain for the design services solutions, design solution like a consultant-based solutions. So we started in 2017. In market, we are one of the pioneers working in LoRaWAN wireless technology. So that's the main backbone for IoT-based communications. So when we talk about IoT-based wireless communications, we talk about low power communications where like this NB-IoT or even 2G connectivities, GSM connectivities comes into picture. So as part of that, like LoRaWAN is one of the wireless technology. Started working on energy retrofit meters. So basically, our main focus was on smart meters. So as part of that, energy meter is one of our focus area, where like we don't work on smart meters. Rather, we try to find one niche requirement for energy meter retrofits. So the use case is like today, smart metering is a main agenda for our present government also to convert all the existing meters to smart meters, whether it is water, gas, or energy. But our focus, our problem statement, what we have identified is like converting all the existing meters to a smart meter is more what do you say, financially like very challenging thing, where like we need to invest at least 5K per meter, which will be like when we consider about 25 crore 30 crores of capex when count. So the capex needed for that will be in lakhs of crores. So where there we've identified like, and one more main challenge is like while we convert all the existing meters to smart meters, the what is it, the scrap, maintaining the scrap or maintaining, removing this old meters and putting them in scrap, that again creates a big hazard for the environment, landfilling, etc., etc. So we thought like, why can't we keep the existing system intact and do something to make the existing meters too smarter. So we came up with another like next level of product, like developing retrofit meters, retrofit for the energy meter and retrofit for water meters, with which will be like costing one fourth of the actual smart meters. So there we focus there. So that also we got some good what do you say, kind of good customer interest there. But as of now, we have not processed with any implementation, but yeah, good interest come. Then like we had one Startup India challenge where we won one of the BPCL Startup India challenge for coming up with the innovative prepaid gas metering solutions for the individual consumers. So that's again different use case where like they want to fix a small compatible device for the consumer LPG cylinder, which will enable the customers to recharge the gas as per their requirements rather than booking the whole cylinder. So this actually, this problem statement was mainly for Ujwala customers. Hope you will be aware of Ujwala customers, where like government has provided free LPG connections to poor people. These poor people were not able to recharge the entire cylinder, spending like 800 rupees or 900 rupees. So BPCL was looking for a solution wherein like we have to give a provision for those consumers where they can just recharge for 100 rupees or even 50 rupees, and we should have a equipment which can allow the gas accordingly. So we gave a solution, and we got we won the challenge, and we got some funding for that. We are working on that project too. So yeah, that's our journey now. Our journey continues. So now, as part of VLSI, we are working on some a fabless product. So we are working on RISC-V based SoC development. So in fact, we are trying to incubate with Shuffle. So we have a concise power management and power auditing systems. We are working on that, working with some consultants. We are coming up with a concise product, like a kind of a package product, wherein like one product, like one aspect of one module of that will be complete water management. So from end to end water management, the water management includes the water consumption, the quality of the water, in the sense like coming to the purity, chlorine, COD, BOD measurement, sensing, and taking it to the cloud and giving a concise report to the industry thing, like wherein like that gives a report for them, and a real-time report for them, and also monitoring the pump resources, how much water has been pumped, and whether like whether any water wastage, whether leakage is happening, kind of things. So the complete system will be monitoring all those things, and it will be giving a kind of a precautionary and preventive indications something is going wrong. So we can say it's a water auditing system, or so that audits complete water distribution system. So that's a different module. Coming to the energy module, as of today, the solution, like as of today, many legacy industries who are trying to go to digitization, they have traditional meters, and they have shift engineers who take the readings on timely intervals, every 3 hours, every 4 hours they record in the system, and their backend system will use that manual data to do the analysis, and based on that they do that what is it, maintenance, or their consumption or calculations, or basically the analytics. So here we are coming here and just not giving any kind of a new solution to be adopted. Instead, we convert the existing infrastructure without disturbing that. We make them into smarter. So across the industry, like when it comes to, it can be like a huge industry like a Leland or Ashok Leland kind of thing, or it can be small factory which is just with some 10,000 square feet also. Our system can be retrofitted, whether it is water, energy, or any gas flow metering, or any kind of vibration sensors kind of solutions. We can, all our sensors are just a retrofit kind of things. They can keep that, and everything can be connected to cloud without any kind of wires, and it's absolutely very low power devices. So with this, any parameter in an industry which requires a kind of data analysis for preventive maintenance, we can take them to our gateway, and we can represent, and we can do enough auditing for the with the data as per the in this customer's requirement.